Hello, my name is Maritt Thorkelson, and I'm a 3D multimodality imaging tech at Phoenix Children's Hospital. I take CAT scan, which is computed tomography images, and also MRI, which stands for magnetic resonance imaging, and I take the 2D pictures they acquire from CT and MRI and post-process them into 3D images. For example, a cardiac exam. So I take the images and put it into my computer program. I trace out every part of your heart. I take my tools and I draw that out, and every part of your heart has a color assigned to it. Once I'm done with tracing out every part of your heart, I put it all together so it turns into a colorful 3D model or picture we can print in our 3D printer, or we can just manipulate it on the computer screen and the doctors can figure out what's going on or what's wrong with your heart and how they should go about doing surgery. Part of my job is making pretty pictures for the doctors and children and adults to look at. So it could be very artistic because we can manipulate our computer software. So like I was saying earlier, every organ has a different color, every part of your heart is a different color. So with our computer technology, we use lots of different colors and transparencies and templates to make these visually graphic, eye-pleasing pictures. So I guess my job is also, you could say, artistic, and you need to have a lot of computer knowledge because it's all computer based. So the 3D lab is a new area within radiology. There's not a lot of hospitals that even have 3D labs, so Phoenix Children's is one of the few in the United States that actually has a 3D lab. For a career in 3D lab, I started out as a radiologic technologist. So I went to school for X-ray, and I did that for a couple years. After X-ray, I went into MRI, and I did MRI for about 20 years. So about 6 years ago is when the 3D lab kind of started to come around. Basically, if you want to get into 3D imaging or multimodality imaging, you need to start a career path in radiology. So 3D lab, it's a very fun career. It's very innovative, and you can use your mind and get creative in this job. So if you're a creative person and like to be innovative, this is a job for you. It's perfect.